All right, back in the saddle again with this GoPro. All right, so this was a deep one here. I think Buck has lead, of course, and I think he was 500 some yards out. So Tank's backing him. There's Patch and Cade right here. So let's just see what's going on. It's our first drawing of blood here this afternoon. It's been about an hour and a half of nothing. I'm in an area that doesn't usually have a lot of birds anyway, but from the ground we covered, we should have had 2 to 3 points. There they go, a little too far out of range. What we got here? Huns. 4, 7, 8. Well, good job, Buck. Well, we should always be prepared. It could be a straggler. Usually the commotion of 4 dogs, all birds will get up, so. Well, all right. You know, I got plenty of birds in the freezer, so maybe I didn't feel like cleaning a bird today.